Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Alan Peter from the Game Changers. Today, we are going to speak about a PowerPoint presentation. The PowerPoint presentations are very old, right? So, I thought about doing something special. So, I thought about quizzes. In quiz in a PowerPoint? Quiz? How it's possible? Yes, there can be a quiz in PowerPoint. This is very misery. Yes, this quiz in PowerPoint. So, before going to my video, please be sure to subscribe, like, share, and type a good comment about our video. Then we are going to the present. Sorry. So I have a blank presentation open already. Otherwise, I will open a new one. Yes. Here, when we go a blank presentation or any presentations, we will first see like this. Click to add a title. So we don't want this comment box. This subtitle box we don't want. Only the title box we want. First, I am going to write a title, right? I am going to write quiz. Sorry, what is that? Okay. I am going to write quiz. This is only a title. We can add anything here. What quiz? Which quiz? Science quiz. Anything. We can add. It's your wish. But I am here looking at the content of this video. Okay. We are all. First, add one slide like this and add a 3 new slides. Only a title slide only. 3 times a title slide. 3 times a title slide. I'm going to add one more. Yes, this is good. In this first slide, we are going to write a question. The question will be what is 1 plus 1. Obviously, it is 2, I know. But we are doing simple questions. The third slide, when we click on the first slide answer, it should either bring to a right answer or to a wrong answer. Wrong, here wrong, or here right. Otherwise, here right or here wrong. So I am writing here right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. Your answer is right. Here I am going to write wrong. Your answer is wrong. Okay, that's enough. Then I am good today only showing you 2 questions. Only 2. 2. In these 2 questions, first one is 1 plus 1. First we want to ready all the questions. Then only we can write anything and add buttons. We are going to a new slide, 3 title only slide, 2 and where is the yes here. Yes. Write one question again. Let it be 1 divided by 1. Is 1. Okay. 1 divided by 1 or 1 plus 3. Okay, this is enough. And we want to write right. And in the 7th slide, wrong. One more slide for if one quiz ends. The quiz has ended. Like that one slide. So I am going to take a title slide, write a quiz has ended. Okay, this enough. That's enough. Okay. First, we are inserting the options for the questions. Before that, we want to insert a next button for the quiz. Otherwise, we want to scroll, when we export it, we want to scroll like this. But we want to write a next option here. So that, go to insert file, home and insert. Then the 6th option, there will be shapes. In the shapes, go to the last active buttons. Here showing active buttons. From there, take any shape. I am taking a rectangle. I am drawing a rectangle here. Then a menu will pop up, open, anything. So if we click on this none, when we click on this button, it will do nothing and nothing. So we want to click on this hyperlink to box. Uh, First we want to background, right? So none and okay. When we click on it, it shows nothing. It will do nothing. So that our people who are writing this quiz should not touch anywhere and end this quiz. So that there is quiz option. Okay, this quiz. 1 minute. Just let be there. Where is the quiz? I'm just copying it. This slide, cut it, and here full. Yes. When the presentation is going on, when we click on the here buttons, it won't do anything. That's why there is a none option. So here I am going to write what is 2 plus 2. It's 4. Sorry guys, I am wrong again. It's quiz. Sorry, very sorry. Quiz. We can do any change there. Now we are going to the options, so that when we take the first option here, what is it? When we took the first active button, it comes to a format page. Format page in the left, there will be the squares. Okay. Here. So none means do nothing. Hyperlink to is a slide, is a active button where next slide goes to the next slide, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2. Previous slide means no slide, because quiz is not a previous slide. You can like this, you can, when you will work in this, you understand it better. So I am clicking next slide so that it goes to the slide 1 plus 1. This run program means go to a program stored in the computer's drive and it will run that program. That is run program. Yes. I will click hyperlink to next slide, which is 1 plus 1. And I click OK. I insert here next. Okay, it's enough. Then in the 1 plus 1 box, here also we don't need anything. So that first I am going to insert and shapes, and the last ones, and what happened? Control Z. What is happening? Escape and Control Z. I think, what was that? I don't know. We can try it again. Yes, action button, and then full. Yes, full. That's enough. Our quiz will write, so we can type none. And also, here we don't want to, here also we want to do the same. So I am setting only one question because it will bore you, so that only one question. Shift, delete. Yes, that's enough. Then I want to write the question here again. So go to insert shapes and draw a shape. Here none. Okay. Okay, what should we write? 1 plus 1. Okay. The 4 options will be here. Go to this type, draw a option here and hyperlink to the box wrong or right. First slide, let it be wrong. So that go to slide. Which slide you want to choose? Wrong slide. Then okay. Here also okay. Then we don't want to use this. We have 3 wrong options, so that we can just copy it and paste it here. 2 patients. Okay. Okay, let the third answer be right. Okay, let the third answer be right. So that go to the square action buttons. It will come here only. No problem. Okay, and hyperlink to this should be the correct slide. So slide and the right slide. Okay, it's the right slide. Then okay, we can do sounds. We can give a sound of applause. I am using headset so that the sound won't work, I think. If it work, I will. Okay. Sound sometimes may not work. It's not my problem. Okay. Go to right. Here we want to use a submit button. Here and here. So that the quiz will submit. But first, uh, we want to delete it. Okay. Delete here also. Delete. Delete. Okay. Then go to insert. Go to shapes. Go to active button. Action button. Scroll the whole area. Hyperlink to this slide. One slide. Just has this should do nothing. So that none. Okay. Okay. This enough. Then one more box calling submit. Hyperlink to a slide. The last slide. Users handed slide. Then okay. Here we shall write submit. Here also we want to write the same. Insert, shapes and action buttons. It's easy. Okay, scroll the full page, then none, then okay. One more action button. Here, hyperlink to one slide. User handed. Okay, okay, submit. Okay. Here we want to write retry and end so that first we want to go to shapes, then action buttons, one action button, hyperlink to the first slide is this, then okay, first slide, retry, okay, one more that button. So that go to action buttons and a rectangle square or anything, go to here, hyperlink to. So we can end the program. So here is end show. Do that and okay. End. Okay. We can see will the quiz work or not. Go to slideshow. From that, go to the present from beginning. Okay. Quiz. It's nice. Next button. You see my pointer changed to a selector. Then yes. What is 1 plus 1? We didn't wrote the answers, but I remember that we what will I tell? Third option was the correct one. So put on the yes, it's showing applause. I heard the applause. I don't know whether you heard or not. Whether it. So 1 minute. I went to the previous slide. I think now you will hear it. When I entered the yes, it's applauding. Yo. Okay. Then now submit. User ended. End means end the show. First show ended. I will show you retry. I will do a wrong option. Your wrong will come, but submit and end will end. Sorry, retry. I was forgotten. Okay, this submit. Quiz has ended. So retry will come again to the quiz. escape. I didn't give values here and here so that it did not come. Sorry for my mistake. Please forgive me. Okay, it is there. But in the next video, there will be a perfect video on the PowerPoint. So don't miss that video. So that turn the bell icon to always, then subscribe for more videos. Like to congrats me and share to share the knowledge. Okay, and also in the important thing that in the next video there will be a new update in my video, that there will be a new PowerPoint presentation with blinking buttons. When we press on the right option, it will blink green color, and when we press on the wrong option, it will bring red color. Also, there will be a timer inserted here. Hope you all enjoyed my video. See you in my next video. See you soon from the Game Changers.